Very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, yesterday we have done exercise 5A of chapter number 5. So, I gave you homework and I hope you all have done your homework and you all have understand of multiplication by 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Now, today I am going to start new exercise. So beta start this exercise from new page. Exercise 5B. So question number 1 is find the product. Now write down the heading. Now beta question number 1 is A. Now in this question we multiply the digits by 10. So students, when we multiply the digits by 10, so we put 0 after 1. We put 1 0 after the digit because in 10 there is only single 0. So we put 1 0 after the digits. Now suppose the sum is 23 multiplied by 10. So what is the answer? 23. This is 23. And how many 0 in 10? Single 0. 23 multiplied by 10 is 230. Now sum number B is 33 multiplied by 10. So 33 multiplied by 10. So we write down 33 here and we put 1 0. So the answer is 33 10 या 330. जब हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हम जो हमारे स्टार्टिंग वाले जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको एज इट इज लिखते हैं एंड वी पुट 1 0 आफ्टर दैट नंबर्स. ओके बेटा. So sum number A, B and sum number D, C you will do yourself. आप अपने आप कीजिएगा, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है. Now sum number D. Sum number D is 105 multiplied by 10. ये भी बहुत easy है. These are 2-digit number and this is 3-digit number. So we write down 105. Now 105 10 या 1050. Okay beta. Sum number E is 217 multiplied by 10. So 217 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2107. 217 and put 1 0. So students, sum number A, B, D, E I have done in the classwork and sum number C and F is your homework. आप इसी में sum number C और F भी homework में करेंगे. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is also find the product. Find the product. Write down the heading. बेटे heading नीचे डालिएगा आप. Question number 1 के नीचे. Now in this question find the product. Same बेटे जैसे हमने exercise 5A में किया था. Multiply by 2-digit numbers. So 39 multiplied by 40. So write down 39 multiplied by 40. 0 9 ja 0, 0 3 ja 0. Now put 0 here. 4 9 ja 36. 6 is here and 3 is carried. Then 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 3 15. 0. Now 6 0 6 5 as it is 1 1560. So second is between now this is 2-digit number. Now multiplication by tens number. इनको किससे multiplication कर रहे हैं हम? tens number से. एक इसका easy method और भी है. अगर हम इसको करना चाहें, suppose देखो आपका आंसर कैसे आएगा. We put 0 here, then we multiply 39 by 4. So 4 9 ja 36, carry 3, 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 50. So our answer is 1560. 1560. This is the easy method. Okay बेटा. इसी का B वाला सम अब हम करेंगे. Now sum number B of question 2. Sum number B is 39 multiplied by 70. 39 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 70। मैं आपको इसी मेथड से बता रही हूँ। सो लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड। सो बेटे फर्स्ट यू पुट 0 हियर, नाउ दिस इज 7। अब ये 70 से क्या बन गया? ओनली 7 बिकॉज दिस 0 को पुट हियर। नाउ 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 39। सो 7 9 जा 63। So we write down 3 here and 6 carry. Then 7 3 ja 21 plus 6, 21 plus 6, 27. Now if we multiply by long method, now we multiply this method. देखो इसमें भी वही आंसर आएगा 39 multiply by 70. 0 9 ja 0, 0 3 ja 0. Now put 0 here. 7 9 ja 63. Also, yes, 7 9 is 63. Now 3 here and 6 carry forward. 7 3 is 21 plus 6, 27. 0, 3, 7 and 2. Answer is 2730. 2730. So students, these are the two methods. If you want to write in this method, then you will write in this method. And if you understand this method, then you will write in this method. आप कोई भी method इसमें apply कर सकते हैं. This is short method and this is multiplication method. इसको हमने multiply करके जैसे sum करते हैं, we will do this like this. Okay बेटे? Now sum number C. Sum number C is 39 multiplied by 80. 39 multiplied by 80. देखो शॉर्ट मेथड में देखिए बेटे डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट यू पुट 0 हियर, नाउ इट इज 8. सो 8 9 जा, अगर हम 8 को यहाँ रखेंगे देन 8 9 जा 72. 2 is here and 7 is carry. 8 3 जा 24. 24 plus 7 carry 31. So write in this method. 0 9 is 0, 0 3 is 0, put 0 here, then 8 9 is 72, carry 7, 8 3 is 24, plus 7, 31. Now add these sums, add these numbers. 0 0 0, 0 plus 2 2, 1 as it is 3 as it is. 3120. Okay students, now write down some number C. Now bete sum number D, E, F is your homework. So we have done sum number A, B, C in the classwork and sum number D, E, F is your homework. You will do these 3 sums in homework. You can do with any method, whether this method or this method. आप किसी भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं, चाहे इस मेथड से कीजिए सिंपल, चाहे आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके कीजिए. ओके बेटा? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is also find the product. Now in this question we will multiply the digits by 100. In question number 1 we will multiply, we will multiply by 10. Now in this question we will multiply the numbers by 100. So sum number A is 44 multiplied by 100. So beta, what is the answer? Now 44, write down 44. How many 0 in 100? So 44 100 ja 4400. Write down beta. Now B is 93 multiplied by 100. So 93, then put 2 0. 93 multiplied by 100 is 9300. Okay beta? Now sum number C is 88 multiplied by 100. by 100, then we put 20 after the number. Okay beta, when we multiply by 10, then we put 10 after the number, and when we multiply by 100, then we put 20 after the numbers. Okay beta, जिस नंबर से हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, सपोज 88 into 100, so write down 88, then you put 20. Okay. Now students, now we have done sum number A, B, C. So sum number D, E, F is your homework. So beta write down. Now students, today we have complete question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 5B. Now in question number 1, now I gave you homework. So students, in question number 2 you have to do sum number D, E, F, and in question number 3 you have to do sum number D, E, F, and in question number 1 you have to do sum number C and sum number F. So this is your homework. So students,